apple, like I drill it in their head.
Yeah.
On my life insurance policies, I have the name of the financial advisor who they have to call.
Mm-hmm.
I've told the financial advisor, if I go first, you call my wife. Both of us go first, this is who you call. I told my close friends, I said, hey man, something happened to me. Give the wife a week to grieve, and I want y'all to say, hey, Terrance wanted you to meet with a financial advisor
Mm-hmm.
because I want to make sure that I give from the grave and it lasts. And so you got to make all those decisions now.
Yeah.
Putting the house in the trust and using, because I got multiple policies, using one of the policies, putting that in trust and allowing that policy to take care of all the needs for the house. And so now between my 3 kids, hey, there's always gonna be a house in the family.
Yeah.
All 3 of y'all gotta decide is, are all 3 of y'all gonna live in it? Or are y'all gonna rent it out and y'all split the money every month? You ain't gonna have to worry about maintenance, taxes, or nothing, because one of my insurance policies is gonna be there to make sure the house taken care of. So now I can die and go on to heaven knowing that as long as Aubrey is alive, Aubrey always have a place to stay.
See, man, that's what it's about. I've had a trust attorney in here explaining this kind of stuff, and again, man, that's how you get it, and that's why I asked that question, is because I just don't think people fully realize. Like I always tell people, well, these folks got money out here, and y'all playing like
Money. And
money.
here's the thing, the lady that came in and wired that, if you saw her on the street
Right.
and you saw the car she drove, you would not think that she had the money that she had.
Mm-hmm.
And the other part of it is I bank a lot of entertainers and I've banked a lot of athletes over the time in the years. And you'll be amazed at how multi-million-dollar athletes struggle during the off season.
Oh, I believe it.
Like struggle
They got a lot of
during
stuff
the
to
off
maintain,
season.
man. They live in paycheck to paycheck too.
They only get that paycheck football, they get that paycheck 18 weeks out of the year,
Mm-hmm.
which means them other weeks, you got to figure it out. And most people may say, hey, if your mortgage is this, this, and this, then you make enough during the season to do it. I'm like, yeah, but you got to have that mindset
Right.
to be able to do it. And so it just shows me that giving them that amount of money without the education is tantamount to giving a 5-year-old keys to your car and just letting them take off.
Oh man, this is deep, man. I love this. Now, I got to ask, because you kind of mentioned it. We don't have to get all the way into it, but I know you were kind of in the trenches for a little bit. With an organization out here around the business.
Yes, everybody know because we got tagged that yes, we were in a lawsuit with Grady Hospital over the name Grady Baby.
Yes.
That I legally trademarked, and we worked it out.
Okay, that's what I was gonna ask. I
We
know
worked
without
it
getting
out.
to legal stuff,
Yeah,
like y'all worked it out.
Yeah, we worked it out, and God willing, you'll see you'll see us together in the future. But God definitely worked it out.
What has that taught you about ownership?
That always listen to wisdom, because I had so many people telling me before I launched that I didn't have to go to that extent with filing all the necessary paperwork, paying the money for the trademark, registering the name, doing all of those things before I launched. And I realized it was only because I did all of those things before I launched that when the lawsuit came about, I had a leg to stand on.
Yeah.
And so it just shows you why